Okay, so hi guys, today I have a laptop to unbox. This is what I have ordered from the Amazon. This is Lenovo ThinkBook with Ryzen 5 series 735HS, 16 GB and 512 GB hard disk. I have ordered it for I think around 45,000 and right now it's selling around 53,000. So let's unbox this and see. Well, I've already unboxed to check the content of this. Let me remove it. Okay, so here is the smaller box. Okay, so in accessory this is and sorry and a Type-C adapter. Okay, let's remove it from the box. So I think this laptop is in plastic build. Let me turn this on, and I've already set it up when I was checking things. Okay, so it has a very good display. It has a backlit keyboard. It has the integrated Radeon GPU. Ryzen 5 sticker is here, and let's check the storage. Yeah, so this has 512 GB of ROM and 16 GB of RAM. And if you check it in the about PC, so yeah, so I've ordered this for my personal use. I possibly will upgrade its internal storage to 1 TB and install a Ubuntu in this because I'm a Linux guy, not a Windows guy. Yeah, so that's it for this little unboxing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.